Greetings, CBC, and welcome to this week's Sunday Warmup. Over the last couple of weeks, we jumped towards the latter parts of the book of John to come alongside the Easter week stories. And so we want to go back to where we left off, and that'll take us to John chapter 4. This week, we're looking at John 4, 1 to 18. And actually, over the next month, we're going to be in John 4. So we're going to really linger here long. This is a perfect example of what we've been talking about as a part of this series and why I want to spend so much time in this series. Because two things. Number one, we're learning about Jesus. We're learning about faith in Jesus and our salvation through Christ alone. But we're also, as we're lingering long in this series, paying attention to what Jesus did, how he interacted with people, and what we can learn as followers of Jesus Christ, empowered by the Holy Spirit of God, to be and become the hands and feet of Christ to those around us. This passage gives us all of that. So John 4, 1 to 18. Linger long in it this week. It's just 18 verses, but really pay attention for what we're learning about Jesus as the living water, what that means for us, and what we learn and see about Jesus' interaction with this woman at the well. So, again, main passages, John 4, 1 to 18. If you want to read ahead a little bit into John 4 to capture just the entirety of John 4. If you want to read backwards a little bit, just as some review of what we've already looked at, those would be great things in terms of any kind of preparation week to week. In addition to John 4, and at the end of the sermon this week is kind of a part of the final points in the conclusion, we are going to pull from three other references. At least three at this point. We may add a few others through the rest of the week that you'll get on Sunday. But at least these three right now in terms of preparation. Jeremiah chapter 2, verse 13. Again, there, if you have time, take some time and read around Jeremiah 2 in its entirety. It's excellent what's being said there. But Jeremiah 2, verse 13 fits alongside the words of Christ here in John 4 to the woman at the well. Look at 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, 16 to 22, and also John 7, 37 to 39. All right, that's it. Nice and short and sweet this week. And prayers for you, blessings to you this week. Looking forward to being together this Sunday. Easter's always is a wonderful time to come together. It's fun to have the sanctuary packed out. We'll see what happens this week and others that come in, and but looking forward to being back in church together this Sunday and continuing to celebrate day after day and Sunday after Sunday the reality that Jesus Christ is alive, the tomb is empty. We have victory through Jesus Christ, and indeed every Sunday, not just Easter Sunday, he is risen. God bless you this week. Looking forward to being with you on Sunday morning.